Hello everyone, this is lesson number 24, HSK free, and let's continue. Let's repeat what we learned before. 熊猫,熊猫, panda, 安静, quiet, peaceful, 见面, to meet someone, 电梯, elevator, 害怕, 害怕, to be afraid of something, 洗手间, toilet, 又, again, 满意, satisfied, pleased, 层, floor, 可乐 Coke, 一会儿 short while. The first word for today is 马上 at once, immediately. 马 it's a horse, 上 above, so on the horse, or when you need to do something quickly, you use your horse and run quickly. I think maybe it's old Chinese do like this. I will leave immediately. 我马上离开。我马上 I immediately 马上离开。我马上离开 I leave immediately. Next one. He will come pick me up right away. 他马上来接我。So he's in a few moments at once, very quickly. 来 come to do what? 接我接 remember come pick me up. 他马上来接我 to pick someone immediately. Next one, please be quiet at once. Or quickly. 请马上安静。请 please 马上 at once 安静 be quiet. So be quiet. 请马上安静。马上 I think it's pretty simple because character is not so hard thanks to simplified character. 马上。Next one is allow, old, experienced, or respected. As we know, 老师 teacher, old master. He's an experienced colleague. 他是个老同事。Also, we can sometimes 一个 or just 个。他是个老同事。Old, here is experience, not old. Experience, 同事 colleague. 他是个老同事。My old friend is very healthy. 我老朋友很健康。我老朋友 my old friend. Here is 老朋友 not old friend, but old, you know him for a long time. 我老 also could be old, but also could be the friend you already know for a long time. 我老朋友很健康 is very healthy. 很健康 But I think if we mention this very healthy, I think it's really old person. 我老朋友很健康 very healthy. Next one. Old pandas are very cute. 老熊猫很可爱。老 old 熊猫 old pandas 很可爱 is very cute. 老熊猫很可爱。Next one is 几乎 almost something. So I almost arrived late. So he almost, but he didn't. So 我几乎迟到了。我几乎 I almost 迟到了 late, to be late 迟到了。我几乎迟到了。He exercises almost every day. So almost, but not every. 他几乎每天 锻炼，他几乎每天 he almost 每天 every day 锻炼 to do exercise 锻炼。Sometimes this 几乎 not only almost but okay, let's see next one. The bank is almost empty. Bank is almost empty. 银行几乎没人。银行 bank 几乎 almost 没人 no people empty. Um, as I saw this 几乎 okay. Lately we return to this one 几乎 but this almost is pretty okay translation. I just want to check maybe another variation. Almost, nearly, virtually, little, practically, near, rarely, pretty much, mostly. So it's almost. I think basically is also good translation, and practically, nearly. For example, nearly all your friends love this. 几乎，几乎. Okay, this is good translation. 几乎. Let's say another one. 变化 to change or change. 变化. The weather changes very quickly. 天气变化很快。天气 weather 变化 to change or change 很快 very quickly. So the weather changes very quickly. 天气变化很快。天气变化很快。He changed a lot after getting married. 他结婚后变化很大。他结婚is to get married. 结婚后 after getting married. 变化很大 he changed a lot. So 他结婚后变化很大 changed a lot. The changes in the park are very beautiful. 公园的变化很漂亮。公园的变化，公园 park 变化 changes. So changes in the park or the park changes. You can say parks changes. So 公园的变化 the is very important. 很漂亮 is very beautiful. 公园的变化很漂亮。Next one. 健康 healthy or health. Let's see. Exercising keeps me healthy. So it's adverb, as you can see. 锻炼让我健康. So here's 让 it keeps me healthy or made me healthy or makes me healthy. Made so 锻炼让我 or cause me health to cause the reason or cause. 锻炼让我 exercising keeps me or made me 让我健康 health. So 锻炼 exercising or to do exercising. Next one, he's very old but very healthy. 他很老但很健康。他很老 he's very old但 however but 但很健康 very healthy. So 他很老但很健康。Health is very important. 健康很重要。 健康 health here is as an adjective or as a noun 名字健康很重要 is very important. Health is very important. And last one, as we can see before, 重要 important. So 重 is heavy, 要 I want to. So if I really heavy want something, so it's important for me. 重要 let's see examples. Health is very important. 健康很重要 Health is very important. 健康很重要重 not 重 Meeting is very important to me. 见面对我很重要见面 meeting or to see each other to face. So not meeting like a collection of people, but at working, but meeting in real life, in cafe and cinema. 见面对我 meeting 对我 for me 对我很重要 is very important. So 见面对我很重要 And last one, work is very important. 工作很重要 Work is very important. 工作很重要 So work is very important. That's pretty okay. Let's repeat what we learned today. 马上 at once, immediately 马上 allow, old, experienced or respected 几乎 almost 变化 to change, changes 健康 healthy, health and last one 重要 important. And let's read one new idiom for today. First lesson in this chapter, 东张西望 to look for each, look around, look in all directions. 东张西望 What does with 张? Anxious, no. 张 is to look, 望 is to gaze, okay. 心急如焚 heart anxious like burn, extremely anxious, burning with impatience. 心急如焚 And today we learn a new one. 井井有条 Well, so well of water 井有 is to have something 条 is order Neat and orderly. His room is neat and orderly. 他的房间井井有条 It's very interesting. I think we need to read a little story behind this. Because behind every Chengyu idiom in Chinese has a own story, but it's too difficult to know. So we just looking around. So 他的房间井井有条 His room neat and orderly 井井有条 So that's all for today. See you in the next one.